Hi everybody, I'm Latrina Patrick. Welcome to this edition of She Rocks, a show designed to help women become strong, healthy, and empowered. Today we wrap up our three-part series on the benefits of chiropractic care. And this week, Dr. Hess talks to us about his new book, Baby Designed by God, which takes a look at the God-given methods of pregnancy, birthing, and raising healthy children. He also talks to us about why he believes chiropractic care should begin as early as infancy.
You know, it's in the book we talk about how one of the unfortunate facts now is the most common surgical procedure performed on women is actually C-section, right? That's the most common procedure performed on women. The second most common procedure is that when they take the uterus out, right? A hysterectomy. So number one procedure is C-section. That means a third of all babies now, a third, are being taken out of the womb through a C-section, right? So they're literally being pulled out from the womb, which causes misalignment at birth in many cases. Research shows, medical documentation shows that it's like a whiplash injury for most of these children at birth, and they're pulled out. Again, not the doctor's fault. That's the procedure. They got to get it's emergent. They got to get these kids out. But when they do, misalignment, thank God for getting them out. But no one ever educates the mother or father, hey, maybe there's a misalignment there, maybe not. Why don't you get them checked at a car? Perfect example, toddlers or young children. My daughter just recently had a real bad fall. She fell on her driveway. She cut herself real bad right below her jawline, her chin, and she had to get 4 stitches. Went to urgent care. Great experience at urgent care. Thank God for urgent care. Got the stitches. Now, about 24 hours, 36 hours later, she started to complain of her jaw hurting, and it was clicking a little bit on one side. Now, she's 6 years old. She felt her jaw clicking. She's pretty in tune with her body. She's been getting adjusted since birth. So she knows when she's out of alignment. She actually asks to get an adjustment. We adjust her maybe, 2-3 times a month, and then if she asks, maybe more frequently, but, we check her and keep her properly aligned. So here, she has the fall, right? She gets stitches just like any other child, except with her, she's in tune with her body. We adjust her and we checked her. So she's complaining about her jaw. We adjust her jaw 2 or 3 times over the next week. She's fine, okay? Now, what happens to 99% of the other children who never see a chiropractor at her age, 5 or 6 years old, 4 years old, have that kind of injury? Fall down the stairs, fall off the playground, fall off the jungle gyms, whatever may be the case, hit their jaw, knock the jaw out of alignment. Now what happens? Well, now they have clicking in the jaw. Big deal, right? Bothers them a little bit, they complain. Well, that stays there, those jaw problems, that upper neck misalignment now, what else can it cause? Well, it can cause ear infections, right? That out of alignment can cause ear infections, misalignment there. It can cause headaches if it continues. We see many people who suffer with migraine headaches or headaches as children or adults that have a severe misalignment of their neck, right? It means the bone in the top of the neck is out of alignment. It's putting pressure, interference on those nerves, causing that dysfunction. If it gets severe enough, it can cause vertigo, right? Dizziness, imbalance. It can cause a variety of eye, ears, and nose and throat issues. Even the American Academy of Pediatrics, right? I'm paraphrasing. It's all in the book. But they, if I recall my research correctly, it's in the book, they had said that close to 80% of when you go to pediatrician, they say it's an ear infection. It's actually not an ear infection, or it shouldn't be classified as an ear infection that needs antibiotics. So 80% of these kids that go to the pediatrician for ear infection, right, they say, hey, they're getting antibiotics, but they shouldn't be getting them. And a very, very high percentage are also getting the tube surgery, which if they were just left alone and did nothing, the body would heal itself. If they get chiropractic, gentle adjustment, it can heal all the quicker. Wow. So, and that's just one condition. We love to take care of children because that way they can grow up drug-free. I believe that no parent loves giving their child an ADHD medication, right? No one enjoys putting their child on a breather or steroid inhaler. Absolutely not. And the only reason we do is because we don't know there's a better way.
Well, that wraps up this 3-part series on the benefits of chiropractic care. I really hope you got a lot out of that. I certainly did. And I'd like to thank Dr. Jeremy Hess and his staff for allowing me to come into their office space so that I can share this information with you. If you'd like to reach out to him in his office in Stockbridge, Georgia, feel free to visit his website at www.godiscoverhealth.com. Now, if you have any ideas for any upcoming shows or any questions about any shows that you've seen so far, please send me an email to latrina@plantfootrocks.com. If you like what you've been watching, I hope that you'll share the link to our YouTube channel with your friends and family and get them to subscribe to the channel, as I hope that you have as well. That way, you get the first notification when I upload any new videos. Until next time, remember, you rock.